Rustin. Soon after I met you, I knew God had finally crossed my path with the man I've been praying for all my life. I've always longed for a love like the love that you give me. The selfless, always smiling, all-in kind of love. But one of the greatest reasons why I love you isn't because of how you love me, but how you love everyone around you.
I've never been very good at showing my feelings, and they're even harder to put on paper. But I found in the last couple of years that how I feel about you makes them hard to stay contained. And the more that I try to contain them, the more I feel like my heart's going to burst. The fact is, when I fell for you, I fell hard, and I haven't stopped falling since. I'm sure you notice that every time we go backpacking, you always do better than me. No matter how many miles we go, you seem to be relaxed, like it's easy. I'm always getting further and further behind, but you always stop and wait for me to catch up. To me, that's what marriage is, pushing through the hard times. And when one of us is falling behind, the other is always there, being an encouragement and waiting so they can catch up.
My better half, I really mean it. I couldn't have picked a better person to grow with. You've seen me at my absolute worst, yet you loved me better than anyone has ever loved me. You make me cry from laughing on days when it's hard for me to smile. I vow to forever be your best friend, to always be silly with you and work to make this life anything but ordinary. You are the most loving, selfless, gentle, and humble person I've ever met, and not only are you my best friend and soulmate, but now my husband.
I knew as soon as we started dating, you were the one I wanted to kiss goodnight for the rest of my life. You're my best friend, the missing piece of my heart, and the one that makes those bad days seem bearable. When life has you down, I'll be your rock. When the water gets too high, I'll be your bridge. My best and most exciting days are all ahead of me, and that's because they will be filled with you.